In this presentation, we're going to see how to create a jQuery modal window using Likno Web Modal Windows Builder. First, let's see what Likno Web Modal Windows Builder is. It is a powerful application for creating jQuery modal windows. You can create any modal window through which what you see is what you get interface without writing any code. There are a lot of ways to define the content of your modal window and many more ways to render it on your page. Okay, let's begin. First, open Likno Web Modal Windows Builder. The application starts with an empty default modal window project. You can start creating by the default project or browse through the examples and then create a new from example. Save your project, select the folder where you want to save it and give it a name. In Project Items tab, in Modal Windows in Project section, you can add, delete or generally edit your modal windows. Note that you can have as many modal windows as you want in a modal window project. Then you can select if you want to show the modal window content as specified inside the project, or if you want to make certain links or forms in your page to open in that modal window. Then you can define the content of your modal window. You have many options for the source of your modal window content. It can be an embedded content, a page element, an image, Ajax content, or an external page that could be an HTML page, a PDF document, etc. In Open When section, you can see how you can call your modal window and also set some properties like automatically open on page load, automatically open on mouse out of the page, or do not reopen for the same user. In Style Editor tab, in Open Close section, you can find the open close effects. Style Editor tab, in general, you can set the styling properties for your modal window. You can also set the header and footer content. In Style Editor tab, in Navigation bar, you can select the navigation bar for your modal window and edit its styling properties, as long as you have a multi-seat modal window. In Style Editor tab, in Multi-Seat, you can define some settings in case you have a multi-seat modal window, like the transition effect, the floating arrows, the direction, and more. In Preview tab, you can see your modal window in action. When you have finished with your modal window, it's time to compile it. Click on Compile and set your site root folder, the compiled JavaScript file name, and the domain for which you want the modal window to work. Then you need to link the modal window project to your page. Select the page or pages you want to link it to and move them to the right side. When you have selected all the pages, click on the link button. The final step is to trigger the modal window on your page. You can see the Open When section for the ways you can trigger your modal window. For more information, you can visit www.likno.com. Thank you for watching.